If you think your Magento upgrade will break your store, you are right, unless it is done the right way. In my last videos, I showed why Magento 2.3 is risky and what actually breaks during Magento upgrade. Let me show you how we upgrade Magento safely without downtime. At SMB Tech Solution, we have handled multiple upgrades and we follow a process which ensures no downtime, no data loss, and no broken features. Here is exactly how we do it. Step number 1 is to take full backup. Before anything, we take backup of files, database, and configurations. So even if something goes wrong, nothing is lost. Step 2 is a compatibility audit. We check all extensions, theme compatibility, and server requirements. This helps us identify risk before upgrade. Step 3 is a staging environment. We never upgrade on live store. We create a staging environment and we upgrade. Step number 4 is fix and test everything. After upgrade, fix broken extensions, theme compatibility, test checkout, verify payment gateways, check performance. So everything is going to be tested before going live. Step number 5 is zero downtime deployment. Once everything is stable, we deploy changes on the live site with minimal downtime or zero downtime. This ensures secure store, better performance, and smooth customer experience. If you are planning for Magento upgrade, don't take unnecessary risk. Check the link in the description. We will help you upgrade safely. In the next video, I will show you real case study of Magento upgrade we handled. Make sure you subscribe.